Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today the Teletubbies are riding in their Strawberry Shortcake remote control car. It makes lots of fun sounds and lights up. Let's turn the remote control on and the pink car. And see how the strawberry light just turned on? It's bright red. Dipsy and Lala are going for a ride. Oops! That scared Kitty. It's okay, Kitty. It's just a toy. Kitty is quite curious and wondering how the toy moves by itself. Maybe she thinks it's a big mouse. Oops, that didn't work out so well. So we decided to go outside with Noo Noo instead, where we have lots of room to drive around. There goes Noo Noo. Let's see if we can find some ice to drive on, Noo Noo. Oops, a little bit stuck on that edge. There we go. It's a nice sunny day out. Perfect day for a drive. You can see Noo Noo's shadow behind him. There's some ice over here, Noo Noo. Will the car make it over? No problem. Noo Noo's back inside. He's looking for Strawberry Shortcake. The car does belong to her. Let's go find her, Noo Noo. There she is. Hi, Strawberry Shortcake. She has a book for us to read. Thank you for lending us your car. We had a great time driving it. Now let's read a book. It's called Opposites by Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. The frog jumps over the bike. The frog crawls under Goofy's bread. The frog is in Mickey's net. The frog jumps out of the bowl. The frog jumps on the board. If Mickey wants to finish the game, the frog will have to jump off. And here's our little froggy, jumping around. He's our little wind-up toy. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.